Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Formula of overlapping length in beam, column as well as for the slab. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Guys, you can see this is column, this is also column, and this is beam. Simply supported beam, the beam is cantilever, also this is cantilever because this is continue. Therefore we have also the other support just for you people to know the diagram. Therefore I did this. Next guys, here first of all I will guide you. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel, right? So here guys, you can see this is a column. It means we are going for the 2-story, 3-story. Therefore we keep continue this point. Okay guys, here overlapping length, so we need to provide overlapping. If you require to provide overlapping at the bottom like this, guys, you can see this is bottom portion. So if you require to provide the lapping at the bottom, so remember, don't provide lapping at the middle. Guys, you can see this is the span, so this is not the place to provide. So let me write here, this is not the place to provide overlapping, right? If you need to provide, or if we require to provide there, if there is any problem and we need to provide the overlapping, because from the factory the steel length is 12 meter, so sometimes we require to provide overlapping or lapping length. So remember in this point guys, so the lapping is allowed at the top portion to provide at the distance of mid or L/2. So this is the place to provide lapping length, otherwise you can't provide, right? So try to provide the lapping after L/4 distance. Guys, you can see L/4. So L/4 mean, suppose the span is here, for example 20 feet, right? Span is 20 feet, 0 inches. So at the distance of 5 feet you are not allowed. At the distance of 5 feet you are not allowed. So this is the place to provide. At the bottom you are not able to provide, but this is the place to provide. Okay, so sorry, at the bottom portion you are not allowed to provide here after L/4. You are able to provide at the distance of L/2, but at the bottom you are able to provide at the distance of after L/4. Guys, you can see at the distance of 6 feet or 6.5 feet, also at the same this place, but you are not allowed to provide at the top portion. Only you are allowed to provide at the top portion at the distance of L/2. If you have more chances of the overlapping, so you try to provide the lapping at the junction, because here we are providing extra rods, so you are able to provide here and also here. Try to provide at the center line. Guys, you can see this is the center line of this column. Guys, you can see. Now the question is rising in your mind, what is the formula for the lapping? So remember, for column use 50D, for beam use 60D, where D is a die of steel rod. Suppose we have 12 millimeter multiply 50, so we require to provide 600 millimeter overlapping, if that is for the bottom bar or the top bar. So actually the diameter D means the diameter of bar, so the bar should be in millimeter or in inches. So you should keep in your mind for the column 50D, for the beam 60D. Okay guys, so this is a short video but very important for you people to know about these important points. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.